Today we're going to be making barbecue popcorn. That is full of seasoning. That is so good. Today we're making barbecue popcorn. So we have our signature shakes. This is a gold medal product. This is a seasoning powder and it smells really terrific. Take a look right in there. See that powder? It smells just like barbecue. It's really strong barbecue. But we're basically going to be popping up kernels in our kettle style popper today. We're going to use 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of corn, and then afterwards we're going to put on this seasoning. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of corn. All right, our butter coconut oil and our popcorn kernels are heating up. While these are heating up, just a reminder that all of the products we're using here today, there are going to be links down in the description, so you can pick these up yourself as well. Also, there's a link to the Popcorn Genius recipe book. You can get that today absolutely free, so be sure to check that out as well. And also, there's a link to the Become a Popcorn Genius book. The book is about how my wife and I got started popping popcorn. There's a lot of really cool, fun facts and really interesting things in there, so be sure to check that out. You can smell that butter, coconut oil in there. It smells really good. Oh yeah, we're really sizzling now. All right, we're starting to pop. Get my glove on here. Oh yeah, you can smell that butteriness to this. This is really good. All right, we're popping. All right, we're gonna turn off our heat. Let's give it a dump. Oh yeah, look at all that nice big monster kernels. Nice big monster kernels there. Okay, so we have our nice hot popcorn. I'm gonna stir this around so we can get all those unpopped kernels out of here. We're using our bin sifter. The holes in this are 7/16, so it gets those unpopped kernels down and sifts them out of there. Now, while our popcorn is still hot, we're gonna put it into this food safe bag here. Look at these nice big mushroom kernels there that we popped up. Awesome, really good stuff there. Okay, now we have 2/3 of a cup of our barbecue seasoning. We're gonna sprinkle this all in here. We're gonna close this up. Let's give it a shake. Whoa. Look at that. Look how awesome that looks. Look how nice and barbecue seasoned that is. That is full of seasoning. All right, let's give it a taste. I'm gonna try this one. This one is so coated. Oh yeah. That is so good. That barbecue flavor, so strong. We did so much. We did just the right amount of seasoning on this. This tastes so good. It's nice and barbecue flavor. If you want to check out how we made cookies and cream popcorn, check out the link up above because that's a really good one. You too can make popcorn just like this. You just got to get out there and get popping.